Hi guys, I haven't been on for a while. Oh my God, I was just done on what I was doing. I was very busy doing nothing probably. But anyway, so this morning I'm having a quick video back on protein. Well, I'm also going to talk about carbohydrates because been doing some more experimentation. I had done a little bit of an experiment for a month on increasing my protein intake. I found I didn't really feel much difference. This is now increasing meat protein, that kind of protein, physical food. And I didn't feel a lot of difference. I felt kind of physically heavier. I didn't really like it. I found I was not motivated to walk. I don't know why. I was my motivation to walk compared to my normal Kate's ketogenic diet, which is not technically absolutely keto, but it's more high fat, high vegetables, cruciferous vegetables, cheese, and that kind of stuff. So I did continue with the cheese, but I just increased my protein intake. So then I stopped that for a while and I decided to experiment with amino acids because the reason we eat proteins is to get the 9 essential amino acids. So I decided, like, I was kind of doing a bit of research and I wasn't sure. So then I said, look, I'll just try it. So I bought some amino acids. These are daily amino acids. Now you can get different ones. I had another one as well. It just happened I got different types. What I looked for was that they had at least 8. It seemed to be hard to get one with than 9 amino acids, so I got the 8. And the one that seems to be missing is the glutamine from this one, but the glutamine was in the other one. So I don't know. So anyway, there's 9 essential amino acids, and then there's like 35 non-essential amino acids that our body can make. But the essential amino acids our bodies cannot make. So we need them pretty regularly. Obviously, if you're fasting, your body will make the amino acids out of broken cells in your body. So they do have the essential amino acids. But outside of that, you need to ingest amino acids. So I decided much better, much better. I really liked this. Now I also introduced creatine monohydrate, which in general, you see their goal sport, in general is associated with athletes, bodybuilders, this kind of stuff. But I had heard on the grapevine in my local parish. I had done a lot of research, and there is a lot of good research saying that it's very good for vascular health, for the actual makeup of the veins and arteries, that this is very good and it's really good for the brain. So I've been taking it for about a month now. I find it really good. I do find I can't put my finger on the differences, but there are definitely some differences. And this one, the weighing scales is saying that I am heavier. Now that might be another reason, which I found with the protein, I did get heavier. My clothes are pretty much the same, but I felt like something had changed. I couldn't even really put my finger on it. And this is where metrics become important and good, proper scientific. Because if you had many people like me who were doing this experiment, this would really help us to know what exactly was going on. So if I want to increase my protein, this is what I will use, the amino acids. Now I'm going to do more research to see which is the best product. But overall, I'm happy with this one. And there was another one, like I said, I bought in the local Horan's shop, which is Amino something it's called. But they had one different one. So this then is the creatine monohydrate, which we typically see bodybuilders using. The second thing, and I'm going to keep it for another video, is about carbohydrates. So see you soon, guys. Have a lovely day. The sun is shining. Let's get some fresh air today if we can. And enjoy your day. Bye.